Hello guys, good anytime you come across this video. Today's topic is about children money in Europe. Oyibo that giving us this children money. Do you think that money is too much for their pocket? They want to throw it away, or what do you think that money is about? That children money is about to help, to support family, to try to support that family when they are in need. Children money is not to build a house. Children money is doesn't supposed to maybe a couple will fight for. They call it help for children, to support. If you are in case a man and a woman is not working, you can use it to support your home, your finance. It will make you not to have debt. If you always depends on that children money supposed to use here, supposed to use to feed, supposed to, what about the one that you are working, the one that you wake up in the morning and work? What do you use it for? When I'm pregnant, my conseiller is what in English? Like when you open your bank, there is someone that you have his contact. Is it, what do you call it in English? Sorry, my people, I don't know what to call it. Conseiller, that is what they call it in French. He will say, okay, when this child is born, come and open account for them. What do you think you are going to put them, mommy? What do you think that man think, that white man that advised you to open accounts for those children? What do you think you are going to put there? Is it a plucky leaf you are going to put there? Is money. When you are working, what am I trying to say? When you are working, my brother and sister, try to bank a little bit for these children and stop fighting for these children money. It's not a lot, eh? Why some men always think that money is my daughter's, that money is my children money, we supposed to use it to pay house rent. When you go outside, my brother, you see fine thing, you don't buy corn house. I know the reason why you don't care, you don't buy, because of that children money that your wife is keeping and your head is swallowed. Do you know it can destroy your home? I know you guys doesn't care whether it destroy your home, but my brother, remember the reason why these people give that money. Now that you are working, try to leave that money, and even though you think maybe that woman is rubbish in it, you don't even care. You man, you don't even care if your wife will buy lead, lipstick, or hearing or anything. But what you always care about is the children money. My brother, if you are not working, stand up and go and work. Leave the children money alone. The children money is to support if you don't have something doing, but you have paper, you sit on it. There is a couple that his wife have nationality and the man have 10 years. The two is not working. They depend on this children money or children money. Later, what are you going to give? Remember, these children will ask you. They know they are giving them money. They teach them how much and how much. These children will ask you, my sister, my brother, they will ask you. Stop fighting for this money. If this money is not just for you and your wife, this money is for the children. If you want to buy clothes, if you want to buy this, if you want to get maybe change their things, instead of this money will be causing trouble, want to cut your relationship. My sister, my brother, if two of you are working, you can bank this money into the account. Nobody will touch it if that is the case. But if your wife is not working, you yourself, you are working. Remember to ask, if do you bank this money if you don't trust your wife? Ask that woman, instead of this money will be causing trouble into this family that you love. This money have cost a lot. It's not that much. It's 472 euro. Here, if you have 3 kids, now you now want kill yourself for. Go and work, the both of you, if you guys are not working. Like I was saying, a man who have nationality, a woman that have nationality is not working. It depends of the children money. A man who have 10 years is not working because of the children money. Is bad, my people. Is very bad. You remember, my brother, time will come, these children will ask you, no matter what, they must ask you. There are some men who say, I don't find a job here because my standard, I go university for Nigeria. When you go university, that paper will take go university. You never carry and come university here, make them bounce you back. You go no say, khaki no be leather. If you dey Europe, that standard wey you dey, so you be college, you be only say, you be secondary, you be secondary school, no be university. Find a job. If you know that you work, you go school for Nigeria, you go everywhere for Nigeria, you come here now clean, you want work. If you know you really go school, learn that work, go school again, try to go school if you have that document, so that you go get diploma, you will go find small work. My people, stop fighting for this children money. It won't help any one of us. Children money destroy home a lot. When that children money store here in woman head or the man head, is finito, high. You will get mad every time the woman buys anything. You will think it's the children money. Anytime the man try to use money, you will think it's children money. You always think it's children money. My sister, if you get paper, go and work. Leave the children money. Bank that children money for the account. 3 child is 472 euro, my people. Go and work so that you guys won't fight every time. So that the small family you are trying to bring up won't destroy for you just because of a little change. But if you don't get paper, I will understand. If you guys are managing that small thing that the government is giving you guys, okay. But if you get paper, you said it's children money you are going to use to pay house rent, you are going to use to pay everything, bill, all those bill with their house, you are not a man or a woman enough. If you depend on that children money every month, you get paper, you are not working, you get everything, you are not trying to work. Your husband is not working because of that. Just because your husband work, they cut the money down. They will say, no, because I'm working, that's why they reduce this. They don't give us help anymore. You are a fool. That is how Igbo say it. I believe Igbo people will say, okay, I'm correct. Go and work, guys. Stop arguing with this children money. When you go every platform, they talk about children money. Children money is what? It's not that big, my people. I hope you guys love this short message. If you leave your comment, I will get back to you guys. Thank you for coming, and God bless you guys. I love you guys. Bye.